Welcome to Hyundai's video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to use our track and trace features. Select the track and trace link under the main menu on the left side of the web page. Once the drop-down menu populates, there will be 4 track and trace options: My Shipment, Track and Trace by Service Contract, and Tracking History. Click on Track and Trace. This feature is utilized when tracking or tracing a specific shipment and does not require any additional mapping of your user ID. You may track by BL number, container number, booking number, and your PO number if listed on the booking. Enter the information and click Inquiry. Tracking results will display information as it pertains to your inquired shipment. The first grouping will list the expected dates of departure and arrival of the vessel. If dates are listed in red, the data is estimated. If dates are listed in blue, they are actual. As you scroll down on the page, you will see additional information provided. Keep in mind that the tracking results are for a specific container only. If multiple units, you can click the additional container numbers to find more information. Under Shipment Progress, you will find detailed movement information. This information can be exported to Excel if you so choose. If cargo moves via rail, all the rail information is also provided by clicking Rail Moves. This will open a screen that will show entire rail history of the unit. This data can be exported to Excel as well for future reference. For those that may be more visual, under the current location grouping, there is a link to view the actual shipment progress on a map. Click the icon under Tracking Map Title. The page will open a new tab with a map displaying your shipment details on the right-hand side, along with the expected routing. If you notice the bottom left-hand corner, the page displays how the cargo will move. This information will list out connecting vessel, truck, rail, or barge as possible movement entries. To close the map, simply X out of the Browser tab and you will return to the track and trace results. Please refer to the Tracking and Tracing Part 2 video in our tutorial series for additional personalized functions that our Tracking and Tracing menu can provide. If you have any difficulty locating information or you feel that the information may be incorrect, please call us to confirm. Our customer service team is standing by.